Good morning my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm showing you another makeup tutorial and it is super duper easy and perfect for the everyday look. I am using the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Palette Volume 1. This is what I do on a daily basis when I'm using this palette. The first shade I'm going in with is Aura and I'm buffing that all over my lid to make it nice and ready to go for the other shades to apply on top of it. I'm then going into Soothe, the matte shade, and I'm going to begin buffing that into my crease all over, making a nice transition shade. I do really love the mattes in this palette. I think they blend so nice and they're so smooth. This palette has been a lot of fun to use. The next shade I'm going in with is Ritual in the matte, and I'm using this in my outer corner to deepen up my eye socket, just to give it some extra shape, some definition, and to make my eyes appear a bit larger and make them pop. To blend that out seamlessly, I'm just slowly dragging it into the crease a little bit to give it an extra bit of depth as well. This eyeshadow look is really great because I'm just using the exact same brush for all of these different shadows. So it's super quick and time saving, which is exactly what you need when you're running late. Now we're going in with Soothe in the sequined little row, and this is so pretty. Look at those little golden little sparkles that appear through when I'm blinking. It's stunning. It's just a little pop of glitter and not too much. I really love it for every day. I'm using my finger to apply it. I think this is the best way to apply these sequin shadows. And I just love it. Look how pretty that shadow looks. It's gorgeous. Going back in with Ritual in the matte shade, I'm just going to blend it out a little bit, make it more seamless and like it's meant to be. And again, going in with Soothe in matte, I'm doing the same process, blending out the transition, making sure there's no harsh lines, and it looks nice and smoky. We're finishing up now with Soothe in Metallic, and I'm using this as my inner corner highlight. It is a little bit deeper than what I was expecting, but it's still really beautiful. That is all for the eye makeup at the moment. Now we're going into my face. I'm priming my face, looking nice and red, and I'm gonna pop on my foundation super quickly with a brush. Sometimes I experiment with doing my eye makeup first and then my face makeup. It just depends on the day, and today is eye makeup first and then face makeup. I actually filmed this look a little while ago, but I found it on my computer and thought, you know what, I still use this eyeshadow look all the time, so I thought I'd share it with you because it's so easy and quick and it looks really pretty. Going in with some concealer to conceal and hide anything I don't want to show and brighten up my under eyes, and dabbing it out with a beauty blender. I was actually wearing this look to a little house party with some friends. It was just a really casual get together, and this is the makeup look that I wore. Setting it with some translucent powder. I honestly don't use too much powder anymore, which is kind of fun, and I'm just gently dabbing on some powder on my face as well to set the foundation just slightly. Now I'm going back in with Soothe in the matte shade, and I'm going to do my bottom lash line now. I'm just smoking it out, making it all nice and smoky and pretty. filling in my brows now. I've also been doing a couple of different techniques with my brows. Maybe I could show you guys in a video. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in that. I've been doing my own brows at home and trying different ways to fill them in, and I've been really enjoying it lately. Now I'm just bronzing up my face, giving my face some shape and dimension. And of course on my nose, I think I overdid it a little bit, but it's fine. I still enjoy a lot of bronzer. Going in with blush, I chose a bit more of a peachy shade for my blush to match the eyeshadows. And of course, my favorite step, highlighter. Literally could bathe my whole body in this. It's very hard to stop once you begin putting highlighter on. I love it so much. And I'm also doing a little bit of highlight on my brow bone as well. And here you can see a nice little close-up of the eyeshadow as well. Looks so beautiful. Then setting my face in place so it lasts all night long with a fan, my favorite thing ever. I love using this fan, it's such a life changer. I like to set my face before putting on my mascara just so it doesn't make my mascara wet or make it run. That is a really great tip that I like to do. Then to keep this eye look even more simpler again, I'm just popping on some mascara and that's it, baby, we're done. It looks good. We're just putting on a million coats of mascara. And this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. It is pretty much what I wear on a daily basis. I love it. It's easy, quick, simple, not too much, not too little. It's just the perfect in between. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's quick and easy makeup tutorial. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!